So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. So we are going to analyze what Swiss franc JPY is going to be giving us this week, and then we'll be able to predict what market is going to be doing next. So this is one of the reasons why if you are new and you are not yet subscribed, so in order for you not to miss out on the next update we are going to be dropping for you, all you just need to do is very simple. Click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys, very clear, click on that subscribe button and follow the Telegram channel. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once you follow the Telegram channel, you'll be able to stay updated on what we are going to be posting for you guys there. Now let's see, first thing first, you need to understand something, and which is the trend. What is the trend on our Swiss franc JPY? As you can see, we are in an uptrend move. So this is it on our weekly time frame, right? On our Swiss franc JPY, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is very bullish move, right? It's clearly in a bullish move. Now, guys, take a look at this here. This is the impulsive move that market first did, right? Within this your impulsive move, if you are to go down to your forward time frame, you will see a series of higher high and higher low playing out right here. Then here comes the corrective wave. Within this corrective phase, there is a series of lower low and a lower high that market did, right? There is also another impulsive move, which also gave us a series of higher high and a higher low. Once you go to your forward time frame, it is very much visible. And here comes the corrective phase, which is a series of lower low and a lower high. Then here is the impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and a higher low. Then the corrective phase. Then this is also the impulsive move that market did, right? Then here comes the corrective phase. Market was able to push up again to form another impulsive move, right? And there is the corrective phase. Now, market was able to push up again to form a new impulsive move, which is a series of higher high and an higher low. Then here comes the corrective phase. The market did right here. So now market has been able to push up again to form another impulsive move, right? Which is a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Now, that impulsive move, market was able to take out this previous high right here. Market was able to take out this previous high, and this is the bullish move, right? So our next movement on Swiss franc JPY will be at a corrective wave. So we'll be expecting market to give us a corrective wave next, right? That is what we'll be expecting. The pullback is what we'll be expecting. But before that, market still needs to give us some bullish move. So is this pullback going to play out this week? Where I do not believe so and I do not think so. Probably next week, right? Upper week market is likely to going to be giving us that bearish move. But this week that we are predicting for, we should be expecting some bullish move. So basically, we should be expecting market to open and close bullish for us this week. Now that will be confirmed on our daily time frame, because when you take a look at your daily time frame, this is also trend uptrend move, whereby we had this higher high and this higher low. Then we also had this higher high and the higher low, and then here comes the higher high. And here is our higher low. So with this higher low, we will be expecting market to push up again till it is able to form a new higher high. So you guys will be expecting market to form a new higher high thereby taking out this high right here. So guys, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. So now this is it on our forward time frame. It is what already trending, as you can clearly see it, right? Since in the higher time frame, we'll be expecting market to push up and take out this high, right? Thereby forming a new high for us, right? Now, when you go to your forward time frame, market is rallying up to that level little by little, as you can see. Once it gives the impulsive move, then it gives the pullback, which is higher. So now this is our this is it here. If this is seen as our higher high, there is our higher low. Then here comes the higher high, and this is the higher low, which going to form an equal higher low, right, for us here. So this formed an equal higher low for us. Now we'll be expecting market to push up against it. It's able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY, be going in for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.